We want to develop our speaking and listening, but the problem is a partner. So we can solve this problem by our phone and ChatGPT. So first of all, we will go to ChatGPT. Here we have the options of talking. Here is the talking option. Then we will talk to ChatGPT. So when I will ask him, my speaking level is developing, and when I will listen ChatGPT's question, my listening power will be reached. So let's talk with there. Hello.
Hey there, it's great to chat with you again. How's it going?
So can you please help me speaking and listening English?
Of course, I'd love to help you with that. We can practice speaking and listening anytime. Just let me know what you'd like to talk about.
So first of all, I would go for my speaking test. So you will ask me 5 questions including my name, favorite food, favorite poem, favorite writer, or anything, the basic questions as my speaking develops. So I start the first question.
Alright, let's get started. First question, what's your full name?
Thank you. My full name is Shihab Rahman.
Nice to meet you, Shihab. Alright, second question, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is fruits.
Fruits are a great choice. Alright, third question, do you have a favorite poem or a favorite line from a poem?
Yeah, I love poems. I love John Donne's poem.
Oh, John Donne is an excellent choice. Alright, fourth question, who is your favorite writer?
William Shakespeare.
A classic, great choice. And for the final question, what do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Watching movie, reading books.
That sounds like a perfect way to spend your free time. Thanks for sharing all that, Shihab. I think your speaking skills are definitely coming along great.
Okay, now I will ask you few questions and you will answer me. So my first question is, who is the president of United States now? He's searching.
As of right now, the President of the United States is Donald J. Trump. He began his second term earlier this year.
Okay, so who is the Prime Minister of United Kingdom? Again, it's searching in web.
The current Prime Minister of the United Kingdom is Keir Starmer. He took office in July 2024. Great question.
Thank you. My next question is, how many people speak in English all over the world?
About 1.5 billion people speak English worldwide, including both native and non-native speakers. Pretty impressive number.
Okay, thank you for the session. I will ask you next questions later. Bye for now.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. Feel free to reach out anytime. Bye for now.
Okay, thank you. In this process, you can develop your English speaking and listening both. So thanks for watching. See you on next video. Bye.